All right, that is the new Wave Mini. I got some oil, some spray, and we're gonna cook something real quick. Going veggieless. This is meatless, another corn product, meatless pesto and mozzarella. I've had these before and they're actually very good. You could nuke them, but then they taste like junk. So we got a couple of these in the oven. It says 425 for 20 minutes. So what we're gonna do is, this only goes to 350, but convection works better. So I'm gonna start off with 10 minutes at 350, then we'll flip them. And that's all she wrote. All right, that's 10 minutes in. We're gonna flip it, and we're gonna cook it for 10 more minutes. All right, YouTubers, I'm just gonna move this onto the stove. I've been in this house for a long time and I have never used the oven here. And now, I'm gonna get the new Wave induction, because again, it does a better job of heating. It uses less electricity. Thrift store copper chef pan. I think $3.50 I paid for it, and we're gonna boil water. All right, so that is boiling, and I got some linguine. Cook that up. Is that enough? This seems like a couple more spoonfuls. Some salt. And I know a lot of people disagree, but I come from an old Italian family that always put oil in the water. So we're gonna put oil in the water. Most people will say it doesn't accomplish anything, but I do it. All right. 10 minutes. All right, that's getting close to done. And I just moved that over here. So I'm gonna hit each side for an extra minute, heat it up and finish cooking it. But we're almost done. Show you some other stuff. Show you the final meal. All right, we're gonna do 2 more minutes on this side. And then I'll flip it and do 2 more minutes. And I know I show you more than I need to on most things. I should just post a recipe, you know, because but something's fun about watching it. So we'll finish this up and then I'll do the plating. I guess I'll show you again. Okay, I'll do 2 more minutes. These really are pretty darn good with the pesto and everything. Non-GMO, non-everything, non-soy, soy-free, excellent source of protein, yada, yada, yada. We're almost there. One of these cutlets down, very nice. And the linguine. And my favorite vegetable, some broccoli. Some lemon juice on the broccoli. And I have this awesome blood orange infused olive oil. It's very good. I could do pasta sauce on it. I'm just gonna do some olive oil. And I'm gonna put a little bit of smoked chili salt on there. And on the chicken, I'm gonna give it a try. First thing to try is the broccoli. Very good. And flyover, broccoli, linguine, fake chicken. Now I'm gonna eat it. This is really good stuff. Linguine with that nice olive oil on it. With the olive oil, it's just so nice and light. It's very good. Now we're gonna take some of this chicken, fake chicken. And I know there are people out there that have no desire to eat fake chicken, you know, vegan stuff. But I'm telling you, this breading comes out nice and crunchy like on real chicken. And the texture of it is awesome. And with the pesto in there, it just really tastes good. This is a good meal. All right. One of these days, there's a really good chance I'll be doing this in the RV. But until then, stay safe and have a great and wonderful day. All right, YouTubers, cooking again. Those are mushrooms. I'm going to cut up a couple containers of mushrooms. I don't need to show you. I show you enough. See what we're going to do with them. Olive oil. And I'll put that second batch later because this takes up the whole Copper Chef pan. This is a smaller Copper Chef pan. Alright, super quick meal. Hash brown potatoes. A little bit of oil. Alright, they're coming along. Add some mushrooms in. There we go. And some mini peppers in there. Give these a stir, let them keep going a little bit longer. Doesn't that look good? It's getting there. So that's coming along pretty well. Now we got some eggs I beat up. And somebody turned me onto this. This is Penzeys. They make a bunch of different spices, and this is their, they claim the world's best pepper. We'll see. Need pepper on my eggs. Alright, so I'm just filming this with my cell phone. And now I put some cheddar jack on there. We'll let it focus. There's cheddar jack on a flyover. And I'm out of the larger ones, so these are the smaller taco style tortillas. Should take at least 2 of them. Put them on there to soften them up. Woohoo! We're gonna eat soon. Alright, there we go. Potatoes, eggs, mini peppers, mushrooms, cheese, and the rooster. That's what I'm talking about now. Roll these up, just using my cell phone again. There we go. Taste it. That's a really good breakfast. That's good. All right, YouTubers, have a great and wonderful day. All right, we're gonna do some cooking. These are mini peppers, and then I take these, I just carve them out from the inside into a bowl, off camera. Okay. Okay, so these are going into a bowl with mushrooms already cooked in them. Next, bigger knife. We're going to do an onion. And I need to sharpen this knife, so there's some big chunks of onion also going in that bowl. And a piece of chicken. I'm going to use a paring knife because that knife I was just using is dull. And my better knives are out in the RV. So this is going to be sort of similar to a meal I made with fake chicken, but as you can see, this is real chicken. And obviously, you cut the chicken after the vegetables. If you use the same cutting board. This is organic chicken. It's been in the freezer a little bit, but it should still be good. All right, so there's that. We'll move the chicken. Get the induction cooktop back out. I'll set it to 200 degrees, start it. It's mad because there's no pan on there. Now it's going. Probably could have been using a little bit more light, huh? We'll put the chicken in. We'll put a little olive oil in. And I'm going to use just a tiny bit of this Penzeys seasoning, jerk chicken and fish, but just a tiny bit. Man, this Penzeys stuff is good. But this is getting something else in it. This is just to get it going. Gotta cook it with a little bit of seasoning, right? Alright. A little bit more olive oil. Okay. We'll let this chicken cook a bit and I'll be back. Alright. So this chicken's got a good start on it. And now I'm gonna put the onions and the peppers in. Some of the mushrooms might didn't get in there, but I'm planning to hold those for a little bit later. Alright, and we'll cook those up for a few minutes. And there'll be more. All the mushrooms in. And similar to when I made the fake chicken, I got some water chestnuts for a little crunch. Alright, we'll give these a couple minutes. Again, this is very RV-able. Let's mix this up now. And this chicken and veggie meal is also going to an Indian flavor. This is korma sauce. I don't know how much reflection there is there. Korma. And korma sauce, this is a coconut kind of thing. It has soybean oil, cane sugar, dried coconut, heavy cream, coconut cream, cornstarch, tomato paste, dried onion, salt, garlic puree, ginger powder, ground coriander, lactic acid, turmeric, yellow curry, blah blah blah. So we'll open it. Oh, it smells good. I like Indian food, and I like the coconut. I'm a big coconut fan, so this should be a good thing. We're gonna mix this up as the simmer sauce that it is. We might need the rest of it, huh? Put a little water in it, shake it around, get all the goodness out. There we go. We're gonna mix it all in again. Oh, that smells nice. You got that coconut. All right, now we'll cover it. And we will allow it to simmer as it's supposed to do. All right, take that off. Ooh, look, it's simmering. All right. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna take that off. And I'm cheating. I should really learn how to make real rice, but I'm gonna make boil in the bag rice, jasmine rice. You don't need to see that. I'll just prove to you. It's boil in the bag jasmine rice. Yay! All right. As I try to do this the RV way, I'm gonna swap this out and put the korma stuff back on and drain the rice. Heat that back up. All right, we are good. I'm gonna turn this off, get everything set up. All right. All right, so we're gonna put this on there. Yeah. Again, wish I had smell-o-vision for you, because you would smell that wonderful coconut aroma. Let's dig into this. All right. Chicken, jasmine rice, peppers, onions, mushrooms, and that wonderful korma sauce. Let's taste this sucker. Okay, here we go. Chicken. See if you're seeing that. Oh man, that's good. I got a water chestnut and a mushroom. Peppers and rice. More chicken. This is awesome. Now I'll tell you this. It's coconut. It's got curry in it, but it's not hot. I know that I like spicy, and I would tell you if this had any spice to it, but there's no spice in this. It's not hot at all, but it's tasty. So there you go, YouTubers. There's something quick and easy, and you can do this in your RV, or you can do this in your house if you're stuck on this whole coronavirus stuff, hoping to get out of here soon. But hopefully you'll enjoy something like this, quick and easy, out of a jar. You know, if you're traveling in an RV, you don't have room for 8 trillion different seasonings, but a jar or something, there's a meal. Stay safe and have a great and wonderful day.